Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you all how I make this super comforting one pot lentil soup. So let's get started. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to ensure that you do not miss out on any of my new videos. To start off, I'm going to fry some onions in some olive oil until they are translucent. After a minute has passed, I'm going to add in some diced garlic and I'm going to fry this for a further minute. I've diced the carrots nice and finely, and this way they will cook quicker. You can cook these for as long as you want, depending on what texture you want them to be in the soup. I want both my carrots and my peppers to be fully cooked for the soup, so I'm going to add them both in together. After allowing the vegetables to fry away for a couple minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add in a tomato which I've already chopped. Whilst the tomatoes are cooking away, I'm going to use the back of my spoon to gently mash them. Now we're ready to season this with all of our seasonings and give it a good stir. At this point, I'm also going to add in some fresh thyme and basil. Once the veggies are ready, I'm going to add in the red lentils which I've already soaked for around 3 or 4 hours. We need to allow the lentils to cook for a couple minutes before we can move on. Now we can add in some broth or some water and allow this to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Once 15 to 20 minutes have passed, we can take out half of the soup into a bowl and we can blend up the other half. Be careful though, because the soup is hot and this bit can get quite messy. Once this is blended, we can add in the other half. The reason why we're doing this is so that we can have some textured bits as well as some smooth bits. Now the soup is ready, so we can serve it. Personally, when I like to enjoy this soup, I sprinkle on some extra black pepper and crushed chilli, but that is completely optional. I also love to serve it with some garlic bread, and I would highly recommend that you give it a try. So here you are guys, the heartwarming lentil soup is ready. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know in the comment section down below which video you guys want to see next week. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!